goodness. I hear my mom screaming in the bedroom. What does she doing?
Wake up, Mark. Guess what?
What's happening, Mom? Are you still asleep?
No. But look at my phone. Oh gosh. There is the Adobe Flash Player retires. The HTML5 is coming tonight.
We're inside the Legacy Video Maker, Mom.
What's going on here?
Well, Mom and Dad, the Adobe Flash Player is coming to shutting down probably before Meteor is coming to HTML5 support.
Okay. Let's see if Adobe Flash Player and what of kinda shutting down and real. Hold up the second. No Legacy Video Maker? How is this possible? I wonder what's at the door? Jola, Joanna, and Carlos, what are you doing?
Hey Paulin, something about bad news.
The Adobe Flash Player is coming to HTML5 on Beyond Legacy City. I agree, Mark's mum and dad. That also at 10,000 people we using Adobe Flash Player and start to retired website.
Yeah! But maybe his thing just seems I did, sweetie.
No idea. This is true with Adobe
Poor
Flash
Jola,
Player
I
support
don't know my
whenever you say
disappointing
it's
or
not
real
the
in the end of
perfect
world.
idea yet. I know. Can we watching of some TV?
Let's see if there's anything on the news channel.
Breaking news. I am Jason One Special News broadcasting of Beyond Legacy City. The Adobe Flash Player will no longer support all around the website in the world. In 1996, was the best of first Adobe Flash cartoon and only of desktop, and now 2021 will going to shutting down forever was because so they are replace of HTML5 they're more of desktop and mobile using of Adobe Flash Player. So, what is replacing of this? Yes. The HTML5. The HTML5 was the most a type of code and linking on website. This is the force, the HTML5 was the trash, and this HTML5 player by only using a phone, computer, laptop, iPad, mobile, and tablet. This programmer date January 1st 2021, this is so awful. But the HTML5 is coming to Meteor and getting trouble all around the world. This is the mess.
What just happened on the TV?
The following message of transmission about a Meteor the HTML5, this Adobe Flash Player was no longer support all around the world. This the end of the Beyond Legacy City was getting blown up the HTML5, we are attacked by the HTML5 video of all, this is not a test. Repeat. This is not a test.
Wait, Dad. What is that noise?
Oh my god. This is the end of the world in Beyond Legacy City.
Did you hear that, Mark? Jola said that this is the end of the world. Get dressed, brush your teeth, pack your bags and get moving. And hurry up real quick.
Yes, Dad.
Attention everyone in Beyond City. I got some bad news. The Go Animated Beyond Legacy City is coming to HTML5 support. Please get out of the city and go to a different city this instant.
Well, tourist, this is the end of Beyond Legacy World, so we are coming to Beyond New City on New York City.
Good idea. Let's go.
Alright, Crystal and tourist, let's go into the airport.
That's right.
Move over everyone. Stop right there. Go back to the car, bus, train, tram, or plane.
Oh my gosh, Dad. Didn't we trust me about the HTML5?
Shut up, Mark. I am moving really fast to get to the airport.
But Dad.
No buts. We're almost there any second right now.
This is your captain speaking. All aboard will not cause any trouble in Beyond Legacy City. Do not follow any instructions.
Get inside, everyone, in Beyond Legacy City. Get to the plane and the plane will be on the seats. We're about to land on Portal and onto New York City.
Hey,
Mom and Dad.
Don't worry, Mark. We'll be here any second.
Oh look. Here they come. The HTML5.
Sorry everyone, but we will be right back at the Beyond Legacy City.
I'm sorry, but the Beyond City train station is closing down forever.
Hold it! Another move, and we drop you! Take him out!
Attentive already. The around the world of Go Animate and Beyond and Above Flash is blowing up the universe. But fair use why? Cause the Abode Flash player is replaced with the HTML5, but unmeetingly, 10,000 people are going to death home, and evenly nursing home too. So thank you support of the Abode Flash this year at December 31st, 2021. This is me, the Jawant 4444. Sign off.